Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Hasan. Today we will be making peri peri chicken in the air fryer. For that I am using 2 pounds of boneless thigh meat. You can use any preference of chicken you would like for this. And the ingredients are as follows. We have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of peri peri sauce. I'm using the medium flavor so it does not get too spicy. And we also need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And you could do salt to taste, and we are using Himalayan pink salt for this today. Let's go ahead and mix all the ingredients up, and let's put the olive oil in, some lemon juice, paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, oregano, our peri peri sauce, and cornstarch. All right, let's go ahead and put some gloves on. A good mix. Okay, looks like we got it good, all mixed up. Okay, so let's, I went ahead and prepared my air fryer. And for that, what I've done is we've lined the base with some parchment paper so it retains all the flavors instead of dripping down. And just so it doesn't stick, I'm going to use some spray oil and put a very thin layer of some spray oil on the bottom so it doesn't stick. All right, let's go ahead and create a single layer down here of the chicken. You want to leave a little bit of gap in here. It is going to shrink anyway, so if you have it too close together, it may get stuck all together. Okay, we're gonna get one more piece in here, and there we go. So I will be using the Ninja air fryer. This one does not require any preheat time, and so for this, what we'll be doing is we're going to be cooking this at 390 degrees for 20 minutes. So I'm gonna put it on the air fryer setting. It's already in 390, and adjust the minutes to 20, and we're gonna go ahead and hit start from there. See you in 20 minutes. Alright guys, so we're down to the last 30 seconds. Once this is done, we're going to drizzle a little bit more of the peri peri sauce and put it back in there for another couple of minutes. All right, let's take a look. Oh, nice, look at that. Okay, we put some peri peri sauce in our little squeeze bottle here. So we're just gonna put a few dabs of it on the chicken. A little extra flavor. And let's go and put this back in here at 390 again for another let's say about another 3 minutes. All right, see you shortly. We're down to the last 5 seconds. take a look at that. Nice and sizzling. All right, we've got our salad plate here all ready to go. Let's go ahead and take this out of here and set it up in our plate. So the advantage of putting the spray oil at the bottom does prevent it sticking, so otherwise it would have just been kind of coming stuck right to the grill or to the parchment paper. All right. Looks like it turned out really, really nice there, nice and hot. Let's go ahead and take a piece and break it up a little bit and take a look inside. Look at that, nicely done, all white. All right. Thanks for joining me, guys, and please like and subscribe, leave some comments, maybe some suggestions, and if you've tried this, please share your experience with me. All right, see you till next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.